Hi, Linda Bowen here from stampingwithlinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is Tuesday and Creative Fold, and I am going to be showcasing the Poinsettia Palace Designer Series paper. This Designer Series paper is on sale right now till the end of October at a 15% discount. So you want to head over to my blog, stampingwithlinda.com, and make sure you get this paper. Also, I'm going to be working with the Poinsettia Petal bundle. This is a bundle that I am offering a free tutorial on this month with a qualifying order of $30. So again, head over to my blog for all the details and the hostess code so you can receive this tutorial. Now, the card that I'm doing today is not part of that exclusive tutorial, so just another fun card to do with this product. Now, I've already taken the Designer Series paper and I've cut one at 3x4. The other one is 2 3/4 by 4. I have a piece of real red. This measures 3 inches by 8.5. A piece of old olive. This measures, I believe this is 3 1/4 by 4.5. Yes, 3 1/4 by 4.5. And then I have a piece of the real red that's 4 1/4 by 8 3/4. Now I'm going to bring in my trimmer. I'm going to take that 4 1/4 by 8 1/4, and I'm going to score that at the 5.5. This is going to form my card base, and then I'm going to bring in that 3 by 8.5, and we are going to score that at the 4 1/4. So this is going to be the pieces for my card. Again, this is called a buckle card. We're going to bring in that piece of Designer Series paper, and we are going to adhere that to the front of our card. This is just a 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. Got that. We're going to grab this piece, and we're going to add the 3 by 4. And you know what, that's okay, we're going to leave that. I was going to use both sides of this Designer Series paper, but I put adhesive on it, so we're going to go with what I've got. We've got that. It's nice with a double-sided paper. I could have used the other pattern, but we're going to leave it the same. I've got my piece of old olive. I'm going to set that in the middle. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my classic label punch. I am going to line that punch up all the way into my paper, button it up to the end, and then I'm also lining up the side. We're going to punch, then we're going to move it over and punch again, going all the way up and lining up with the side. So I've got a nice opening there. We're going to take the other folded card. We are going to place that in the middle here. And then we are going to, it's a buckle, like a belt buckle. We're going to put that in like so. I have already taken my dies from the Poinsettia dies and I already have die cut. I did a video on techniques with the Poinsettia and how to keep your dies stationary while you're cutting them. I will put a link over on my blog to that video. Now, I didn't punch out the individual leaves. I just did the large poinsettia petals in the old olive, and so it just makes for nice leaves without cutting the individual leaves. I'm only using 3 of the layers from the poinsettia. Got that. Gonna grab that little one and Place that here. You'll notice that I have already taken my bone folder and curled the edges of my flower. We're going to set that on that flap. And then we are going to bring in the braided or beaded pearls. I don't remember when I have liked an embellishment more than these. They aren't real thick. They do have a little bit of height, but not bad at all for mailing. I'm going to grab a glue dot and place that in the center. And there you have a fun, creative fold using that poinsettia petal bundle and the designer series paper. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.